Hello guys, today we will be making a YouTube intro. For that we will be using Blender. First let's download Blender. Just open Google search and search for Blender. Just open the first link that appears. Let's just click on download and wait for it to download. Just select save or run depending on your software. Okay, so we have downloaded Blender. Now let's download a YouTube intro template for use. For that, just search YouTube intro templates for Blender. I will give the link of the site in description below. And now these are all the templates. You can select whatever you like. Wow, this looks clean. Let's check it. Okay, it's not bad. It's great actually. Very clean template. Now let's check if there is anything better than that. This is also very good, but I think I like the first one better. So let me download the first one. Okay, just download it. We need to wait for the link to appear. It can take something 13 seconds. In the meantime, let's install Blender. Just ignore this warning, just run it anyway. Now Blender is installing. Click next. Just proceed with the setup as you normally do. It can take some time to install. Let's just skip it. Now let's download the file. Click on download. Oh, Blender is still installing. Let me just skip it. Okay, so Blender has installed successfully. Now let's get started. Open Blender and now you click open project and select the file that you have downloaded. In my case, I have stored it in my videos, so let me just open that file. Let me just search for it. Oh, got it. Okay, to edit the test, you just select the test. You just select the right click on it. You just click on it and press tab and start writing the test. Okay, just select it and click on tab. After you have edited the test, just click on tab again. Now we are just playing it to see if it's work. Everything is good. It's great. Okay, now let me just change the render engine to cycle. Select GPU compute. If GPU compute is not available, just go to preferences and make sure that you have selected the CUDA in settings. Okay, and now we need to change the file output. Change the file output to any folder you like. Okay, now make sure that FMPG is selected, because if you select just AVI row, then there will be no sound. Just do as what I do here. Okay, just select the same settings. Just select the same settings as me. Now let's render the animation. Wow, there is a problem. Oh, we forgot to select something. Oh, got it. H264. Okay, now it should work. It will take some time, so let me just skip it. Okay, let me just skip it. Okay, so the rendering could take somewhere 30 minutes or more. It has finished. Now let's just save the project and let's just check to see if the file works. As you can see, it works very beautifully. That's all guys, thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel.